So guys, for the first step, you're going to head with search and type in Task Manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on the Startup Apps tab. Now you want to disable all the applications that you do not want to start when your computer turns on. So for example, for me, Steam will automatically start when my computer turns on. And I know it does that because under status, next to Steam, it says enabled. And I don't want this, so I'm not going to disable it. So I'm going to click on disable, which will now make the status disabled. You want to repeat this for all the applications that you do not want to start automatically when your computer turns on. For the second step, you're going to head it with search again and type in adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to select adjust for best performance, which will now untick everything. Now once you've unticked everything, you now want to click on custom. Now you want to select show thumbnails instead of icons and smooth edges or screen fonts. So you want to unselect everything and then select these two only and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you're going to head it with search again and type in add or remove programs. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to uninstall all the applications that you do not use. So we're going to scroll down. If you find any applications that you don't use, you want to uninstall it. So let's say I want to uninstall Clipchamp. I'm going to click on the three dots and then click on uninstall. And now I'm going to uninstall it. Uninstall all the applications that you're not using. Now for the next step, you're going to head it with search and type in CMD. Now you have to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once that's been done, you now want to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Click on enter again. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.